Hello from Speaking Academy. Our story journey continues with The Little Garden. In this story, you will learn useful English words at A1 and A2 levels. Have fun. Let's explore the useful English words in this story for A1 and A2 learners. With these words, the story will be easier to understand. Here are the key words: garden, plant, bucket, spade, butterfly, bee, bench, hat, light, dream. Sophie has a small garden. She plants flowers, trees, and vegetables. Every morning, she waters the plants with water. She uses a bucket and a small spade. Her dog runs around, and her cat sleeps under a tree. Sophie sees a butterfly, a bird, and a bee. She smiles and sings a small song. In the afternoon, she sits on a bench. She drinks juice and eats an apple. The sun is hot, and she wears a hat. At night, she turns on the light in the garden and sees the moon. She feels happy and calm. She goes to bed and dreams of new flowers. Good work! You finished the story. These words will help you in everyday English. Practice them many times. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next story.